Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger seamlessly. Whether you're looking to consolidate your domains or take advantage of Hostinger's robust features, transferring your domain can be straightforward. Let's dive into the process. First, navigate to Hostinger's interface, commonly known as the H panel. You can do this by visiting hostinger.com or going directly to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once there, log in with your credentials. Having your login details ready will ensure a smooth domain transfer experience. After logging in, locate the Domains section. This is your hub for managing all domain-related tasks. Click on the Domains tab, which will direct you to a page with various domain management options. Within this domain management area, find the Transfers option. This function acts as the bridge to transfer your GoDaddy domain to your Hostinger account. Click Transfers to initiate the process. Next, enter the domain name you wish to transfer from GoDaddy. Precision is crucial here. Make sure to type the full domain name correctly, avoiding any typos or extra spaces. Once you've entered the domain name, the interface will guide you through any additional details you need to confirm. Finally, after reviewing everything and ensuring all details are correct, you'll see an option to proceed with the transfer. Click Transfer to finalize the process. Hostinger will handle the rest, working behind the scenes to ensure your domain is securely transferred to your Hostinger account. And just like that, you've initiated the transfer of your domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger. Remember, the transfer might take some time, ranging from a few hours to several days, depending on various factors. So be patient as the process completes. That's all for today's tutorial.